Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a vampire bat donut. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween bat donut, let's begin by drawing a circle. Now I'm going to trace this little paint palette just so I have a nice circle. I'm going to begin by just tracing right around here, so that way I have a nice circle in the middle of my paper. Next, in the middle here, I'm going to draw another circle so that we have the center part of our donut. Now, right across the bottom, I'm going to make the icing. So I'm just going to make some wavy lines right across the bottom of the donut. Now, let's work on the face. I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make a circle for an eye, and then I'm going to make another circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make another circle inside and just kind of color in around it. And then same thing here, another circle, and then I'll just color in around it. Then I'm just going to make a little oval that I color in for the nose. Right here, I'm going to make lines goes down and up, and then down and up for the cheeks. And then we'll put two little triangles on here for the teeth. For the ears, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And then same thing here, up and then down. And then we'll do a smaller one inside each one for the inside of the ears. Now let's make the wings. I'm going to begin by making a line that curves out on each side. Then I'm going to go down, and then up to here. Same thing, we go down, and then up to here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little bat donut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.